Picture this: your hotel just invested in the latest AI assistant chatbot, a smart check in kiosk, and an intelligent room personalization system. But the guest taps the screen, waits, waits, and boom, a message pops up: network unavailable. And just like that, the magic dies. So let me ask you, is your hotel's Wi Fi holding your AI hostage? Welcome back here to AI Hospitality Insights. I'm your host, Audemore. And today I am uncovering the number one reason AI fails in hotels and the hospitality industry today, and how to flip that story from failure to thrilling transformation for your hotel. So let's dive into this together today. So let's get brutally honest here. You can't automate, innovate, or elevate anything if your network is slow, unreliable, or outdated. AI thrives on data today: real time responses, cloud access, personalized guest journeys, and all of that need one thing: a rock solid network. Still wondering why your AI pilot did not take off? Well, make sure you check your Wi Fi before you blame the technology. Now imagine trying to stream a movie over a dial up. That is what AI feels like with a weak signal today. So let's break it down here. AI assistant chatbots need real time cloud access today, and smart hotel rooms rely on Internet of Things like sensors, lighting, AC, voice commands, and predictive maintenance needs constant data flow today. And even AI powered revenue system need to sync across departments. And with no bandwidth, no brain power. So step one in your hotel's AI roadmap is crystal clear: reinforce the network. It is all about building the digital highway before launching self driving cars. But as a general manager or a hotel owner, you might ask, but wait, shouldn't we retrain the team first so they are ready? And the answer here is yes and no. You see, with digital transformation and AI, it is like planning a concert. The stage and the sound system is your network, and the band and the crowd, that is your team. You want to build both, but if the microphone is not working, no one will hear the beautiful music. So start by creating curiosity around AI. Show simple use cases for AI and digital transformation. Introduce tools like AI assistant chatbots or any AI system slowly. Start with one pilot project at a time, and then pair every tool with a why this help you mini sessions. You want to have those sessions on an ongoing regular basis. That is really important with, particularly with digital transformation and AI. And don't dump it all at once. As I said, think pilot, think feedback, and then scale from there. And here is my winning 5 step roadmap to make AI actually work for your hotel. And the first step is to audit your current network. That is really important. So start with doing a signal check in every corner of your hotel. Is your Wi Fi strong, stable, and secure? And then, of course, the second step will be to upgrade your digital infrastructure. Think of it as upgrading from a gravel road to a 6 lane AI highway for your hotel. And then you want to launch awareness training. This is also an essential key. Start small. AI is not scary when people understand it. Show them how it reduces workload, but also help them to become more effective and more productive and overall becoming part of creating new experiences for the hotel. And then the fourth step is to pilot a simple AI tool. Pick one use case. That could be an AI assistant, chatbot, smart key, personalized booking engine. The key is to win trust. And then the fifth step is to build your hotel's AI champions. Identify maybe between 2 to 3 team members to become internal AI champions or AI ambassadors that will get a better understanding of all the ins and outs of AI. And better yet, maybe you should bring in an AI coach to help you set all of this up and also help you with training an AI champion or AI ambassadors for your hotel. Now, with a system, a strategy, and a process in place that concentrate on what matters for your hotel, you will experience that you're not only fixing the Wi Fi, but you can turn frustrating technology failures into 5-star guest reviews. You can experience things like bookings will increase, that means direct bookings, the staff stress will decrease, and AI will get smarter day by day. This is not about the tech upgrade, it's about a mindset shift. And it is your foundation for wow moments powered by AI in collaboration with a functional and reliable Wi Fi. So, here is your hotel's next step. Don't just install AI, install the right foundation, build your digital backbone, retrain your team, and unlock the real power of transformation. Now, if you want help building your hotel's AI roadmap the right way, I'm offering a free 60-minute AI strategy call to map your hotel's digital upgrade path today. And you will find a link in the description below. And make sure you reserve your spot today because they will fill up fast. And if this video sparked a new perspective for you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, AI Hospitality Insight, and more than anything, make sure you share this video with your team. And also make sure you drop a comment in the below here on what part of your hotel is ready for AI but waiting on the Wi-Fi. Until next time, stay smart, stay connected, and keep transforming.